For setup, snap the turbine bar together and connect it to the kite and control lines. Hook up your battery system to the conductive tether. Clip on the waist harness and hold the kite so it fills with wind. Release the kite and start reeling out with one hand on the control bar and the other hand on the winch handle. After the kite is fully deployed, steering maneuvers will increase the apparent wind to produce maximum power.
Still shooting around 2 and up and down.
For retrieval, reel in and steer the kite overhead.